Wednesday Wellness with the Van City Home Team. Natasha, Koch here. We're going to talk about meal prep, my favorite topic. I do it every single week. I'm pretty good about keeping on track. I live a very busy lifestyle, as I'm sure you do, and I like to not eat out as much as possible. It's not only healthier, but it's cost effective. And right now, everybody, I think, are looking for ways to save money. So meal prep is a great way to ensure that you've got those healthy meals on hand. I'm in my car a lot, so I create my meal prep plans so things are easily grabbable or snackable and they're healthy. So let's talk about 5 tips on how you can do that and be budget friendly. So a lot of people think that if you are on a budget that you can't eat healthy and that you're sacrificing flavor. Totally not true, everybody. Here's some tips and tricks on what to do. Number 1, shop in season. Right now we're coming into the best and most freshest time to get fruits and vegetables, so buy it now. You can freeze it, dry it, dehydrate it, can it, all kinds of ways that you can actually have them later. Freeze it. My dad freezes everything. But buy what's in season. So there are lots of schedules online where you can see what kind of veggies are in season for each month, even it categorizes it. So use what's in season and try to make recipes based on that. Number 2, utilize your leftovers. If you don't like leftovers, I get it. I'm actually not a big leftover fan. It sort of feels older and I like things fresh. So make some big batches of something and then reuse the ingredients in another meal so that it's actually a brand new meal, but it's with a little bit of leftovers. Number 3, take advantage of bulk buying. So go to Costco if you don't already, or find somebody that has a Costco card that you can tag onto and go with them. Especially grains or bulk items that you need, flowers, those kind of things. You can definitely, it goes a long way if you buy them in bulk and saves you some money. Number 4, plan ahead and use a grocery list or even shop online if you can. I found actually that during the pandemic, I saved a lot of money because I did all my shopping online, so I only bought what I needed. The only thing is I like to touch, smell, feel the food that I buy. So that's the only drawback to online purchases because, of course, somebody else is doing the shopping for you. But use a grocery list. It'll keep you on track and you can plan your meals in advance. There are so many apps that will do meal plan for you and print out grocery lists. I mean, it's kind of a no-fail thing. Number 5, the biggest thing, mark out time in your schedule. Do it every week. Usually Sunday's my planning for business, and then I also do my meal prep for the week. Cook in batches. So if I'm doing chicken, I do like 4 different types of chicken in different recipes so that I have different chicken all week. And you can shake it up with beef or fish, or if you're vegetarian, you can totally do veggie recipes, especially at this time of year. But the point is, cook in batches. It's going to save you a lot more time and money. So with the right tips and tricks, you can actually prepare really healthy meals on a budget and without sacrificing the flavor. So with a little bit of effort, you can do it too. I look forward to hearing what you plan, and this is our Wednesday Wellness. We'll see you next week.